Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Herne Bay taking a look at apartment number 33, Cavendish Court. A wonderful retirement development offering a wonderful amount of living space. Now, this property in particular gives you one double bedroom and of course the fitted wardrobe straight ahead of us there. Lovely view out from the window as well, letting all of that natural light flood through. Now, in this property we've also got the addition of a beautiful modern fitted bathroom space here, so you can see you've got the fully adapted shower on the left hand side with the loo and sink unit straight ahead of us and the heated towel rail on the right, and some really handy storage as well. Also in the hallway space we've got that fantastic cupboard too for plenty of storage, and then coming through into the living space here, again the view just out to the front, and then of course panning the camera across you can see that you've got a modern fitted kitchen here as well. Now, this particular development is very popular due to its communal spaces and the south-facing communal gardens that the property enjoys as well. Centrally located to Herne Bay and only a short walk away from the bus stop, the seafront and the shops, there's not much not to like here. It's a fantastic retirement property, and we really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at it with us today. I'm sure you have plenty of questions for us, but don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.